Welcome back to the channel. It's time to test the Xiaomi 17 Ultra night videography, guys. And I'm shooting this in 4K 60 front camera. Who cares, right? Alright, but I need to check it. What is more interesting is what is gonna happen with all this low fake technology when I turn to the back camera. So let's do this. Okay, this is right now using the 4K 60 on the back camera, and I started with 1x. Alright. Now I'm gonna do something, just be warned, this is ultra wide. Alright, and you can see immediately how less light the ultra wide camera is able to capture, which isn't ideal, guys. Now I've seen better ultra wide cameras in the likes of the Oppo Find X9 Pro and the Vivo S300 Pro, and I really hope that you're not a big fan of the ultra wide if you want to buy this phone. Again, see, this is the main camera, ultra wide. It's not looking great, I have to tell you. Alright, 1x, ultra wide, yeah. But that's not even the biggest problem with the video, because the test that I did in daylight, like broad daylight environment, of course without a lot of sun, wasn't great. There was a lot of jitters involved. And I really hope that Xiaomi can at least address this. So now let's try to go to 2x. 2x is a crop. One thing with the low fig is that we should be able to get better dynamic range, better highlights control, better shadows control, and everything probably exposed without overexposure, without crushing blacks. I'm already using the Telephoto camera. This is now the 3.2x 75mm, continue zoom to 85mm, this is 90mm, and then this is 4.3, which is 100mm. So this is 90 and then this is 85. So this is the gain that you are actually winning, like a 3.2x 4.3x. It's not a big thing anyway, but it's lossless zoom, and it ain't that bad. It has like these 4 steps. So now I'm gonna go back to the main camera. Let's start running to confirm something we already know, and that's the fact that the stabilization on this phone isn't the best at this moment of time. Low fig test. All right, 4.3 back to 2.1, back to 1x. Now let's try to test some zoom cameras. 4.3. All right, and the maximum we can get is actually 30, which isn't that bad. And from 30 I'm gonna go to the ultra wide, and we're gonna be doing some zoom lens cycle right now. So let's go to 1 and let's try to do this. Zoom lens cycle isn't that bad. I think it is pretty much okay, and this is the maximum. Again, you can get like 30 at this phone. From 30 to 4.3, 3.2, 2x, 1x, and then the ultra wide. Now I'm going to turn to 4K 30 and see if we're going to be able to capture a tiny bit more light, because I've disabled the auto lens switching. Alright, you can see front camera and a lot of light, not a good idea, but let's turn to the back camera. And this is the back camera. This is 4K 30. Ultra wide, main camera ultra wide. Main camera, you can see just how much more light the main camera is able to capture. 2x, 3.2, continue zoom. Whoops, let me just go outside, and I'm gonna do 85mm, 90, and then 100mm, and this is the maximum we can do. 30x. I'm gonna go back to 1. I'm gonna start running to test the stabilization at 4K 30 FPS. So I'm running, and I'm also manually moving the phone left and right. I don't think it's gonna be a good experience. Let's stop for a moment, test the zoom lens cycle. Alright, probably at this sign here. Quite good, by the way. The zoom lens cycle on the Xiaomi, I think it's good. Now let's test again the lossless zoom. Okay, 1 and 3.2. So now we have 80mm, 90mm, 100mm. And now back to the main camera. Let's see how this thing turned out. Do you let me know down below in the comments. I still believe that Xiaomi needs to address a lot of the things with stabilization, probably even more. And we can only hope for a better ultra wide camera in the Xiaomi, what is it, like 19 Ultra? As the jokes are going. See you in the next one. Bye.